Hi, I'm Dr. Taylor, and welcome to Medical Minute with Norton Healthcare. Using a nasal spray can be a little intimidating, and we're here to explain how to do it so we can make sure the medicine gets to the right place and to avoid any nosebleeds. Now, you may be prescribed a nasal spray for seasonal allergy relief to help you with inflammation in your nose and in your sinuses. It's what we call a corticosteroid. Now, usually it's sprayed in each nostril once or twice a day, but do make sure to read all the instructions prior to use. Now, if you do have a new bottle, you want to remove the top and safety guard if it has one. You may need to prime it, so you do want to shake it up and then push down on it until some medicine comes out, and that's when you know it's ready. Now, before I use my nasal steroid, I typically like using some nasal saline. Nasal saline is a nice, safe clean out of your nose. It just has sterile water and saline in it. So when we're ready, I like to tell my patients, do Wakanda forever. So that means I'm gonna hold my bottle in my right hand for my left nostril. That's gonna give me a slight angle. I'm gonna tilt my head down, and then I'm gonna do a squirt, push, and small sniffs to help get the medicine to where it needs to go. That way, I'm getting it to all the sinuses where it needs to be. I'm not tasting it on the back of my nose, and most importantly, I'm not gonna get a nosebleed. Repeat on the other side with Wakanda forever. If you need seasonal allergy or upper respiratory infection relief from a healthcare provider, we offer in-person or virtual appointments. Schedule online at nortonnow.com.